Welcome back once again, and here I'm going to explain you how to use while loop in PHP. So in order to save our time, I have done, I have already created a file with the name of while loop.php, and here I have written certain code over here, and here I'm changing it title as while loop in PHP, that we have given the title to this. Now here I have to write the body or for the PHP script. So what we have to do, I'm just going to take a variable, say variable x, and to that I'm initializing equal to 1. Now here I have to write, now I just wanted to display here the number from 1 to 5. So that's I would like to display, that is my target here. So what I will do for that, I have to write a while loop for this, and to write the while loop I will use while keyword, and then I will start my parenthesis here, and in the parenthesis I have to write the condition. So condition is that I wanted to display the number from 1 to 5. So for my case, the condition is the value of variable x should be less than equal to 5. Okay, or yeah, that way we can set this condition. And here in the curly bracket you have to write the code that you wanted to write again and again. So I'm writing here as echo the number is, then colon, and here you give the reference of the variable whose value you wanted to display, and I want the result to be displayed on each new line, so I'm using the break element after each output. So save the here and put the semicolon to terminate sentence. And what we have to do next, now we first time when it will display 1, then we have to make the increment it to new, then to 3, then to 4. So what we have to do, we have to increment the number as 1 by 1. So what we have to write here, we can write here variable x plus plus, that is called the post increment. This is the case that we have done in the previous section, that is post increment operator here we have used. Or you can write it this line also like this way. I'm just putting a comment for your help. So $x plus 1, this or this will do the same. You can either use this thing or you can write it like this way. So save the changes of your program that you have done. Then after this, go to your browser, and I have already opened this file here, so I'm going to refresh it here, and here I see the result. So how this works here, that we have to understand. First we have initialized the variable with the value of 1. Now what we have done, then we have started the loop, and in which the loop we are displaying the value of x here. So first time when loop will get executed, it will check the condition. Now the 1 is less than 5, so it will display this line, the number is, and the variable values 1 is 1, that will be displayed here. Now what we have done in the next line, we have increment the value of x by 1, so now the value will become 2. So it will again check the condition here, and the 2 is again less than 5, and it will display the value of x again. Now this time it will display 2, and again the value of x is incremented by 1. So this time value become 2 plus 1, that is equal to 3. So it will again check here and it will display 3, then become value 4, then it will come again here and will check 3. 4 is again less than 5, so it will display the number is 4 here. Then 4 plus 1 will become value of x equal to 5, then it will come to here and check for the condition. Now 5 is, now variable x value is 5, and we are having the condition less than equal to 5, so 5 is equal to 5, so it will display the value over here, the number is 5 again. Now again the value of x will be incremented by 1 in this case. Now the value will become 6. Now again it will come to this and check for the condition. Now 6 is not less than equal to 5, so 6 is greater than 5. So what it will do, it will come out of the body of the loop, because here the condition is not true and the while loop's body will not get executed. So this is way the program will get terminated at this point. This is how we can use the while loop in PHP. And that's all for the now, and in the coming video we will do with the do while loop in PHP. That's all for now. See you in the next video.